rocking my G-Shock. I'm rocking my Superstar. I'm rocking my G-Shock. I'm rocking my Superstar. I'm rocking my G-Shock. I'm rocking my Superstar. I'm rocking my G-Shock. I'm rocking my Superstar.
What's up, YouTube? Got another great review today. We got the GM5600B-3. This is the Camouflage series with the green colorway. Probably the favorite of the metal design G-Shocks out there. Now this one's not Bluetooth, but let's take a look. Here's the model number, GM5600B-3CR, module 3229. Great watch, and I want to send a shout out to Reed Jewelers who made this possible. They gave me a great deal. I suggest you guys check out their website. Great customer service, and they ship this out very fast and great communication. So highly recommend them. Wearing the GW-F1000 Frogman. Once again, if you guys are looking or in the market for a Frogman, reach out to me. I can get one for you, and roughly $320, which is great price for that model. So yeah, little shameless plug there. Let's take a look. Once again, this is the 5600 metal version, 3229 module manual included. Here's the warranty card and the infamous metal tin can. Looks titanium, looks metal, looks pretty cool. Well, it is metal, right? But here we go. Ah, yes, such a beautiful watch. I think this is my favorite of the series of the metal watches. It's got resin bands. Look at this. It's got resin bands. It's a nice olive green colorway. It doesn't have the metal band keeper, which is kind of a plus for some of us who hate to see them scratch. Now, you could beat the heck out of this watch and have no remorse whatsoever. Got the metal band holder, or buckle I should say, but it's great. Beautiful green olive color. Now let's take off this sticker here because this one's a keeper. This will be mine. Take this plastic piece off of here if we can. There we go. Look at that, guys. GM5600B-3 retails for $200. Highly recommend this one. If you haven't already got it, let's zoom in a little bit more. Check that cool LCD display there. You got the nice black, it's like a grayish black gunmetal bezel there, but it's got the awesome camouflage display there. It's like pixelated green camo on the watch. Now, everyone's not a fan of the negative displays. Personally, I think it's great combination. It matches the nice bezel, and it's got the kind of a brush metal looking bezel there. Look at the back. It's not a screw back like your typical 5000 series. You can see I just got it. Still got some condensation from the cold. Welcome to Chicago, guys. Make that 3229 module GM5600B. Once again, this is not Bluetooth. It's not like your standard watch. And there goes condensation again. It's not your standard Bluetooth edition the 5000 series like the GMWB5000. This one, hence it's not screw back. It's got the metal screws on the back plate there. But I think it's great because it's a great design, but at a fraction of the price. The like I said, $200 versus the $500 ticket on the GMWB5000. So you don't get the fancy technology that comes with the Bluetooth series, but I think this one is just beautiful aesthetically. It looks great. Let's put this puppy on and see how it looks on the wrist. Get you a little, here's the Frogman. I'll put it next to the Frogman so you guys get a size comparison. I mean, it pretty much dwarfs, the 5600 gets dwarfed by the GWF1000 Frogman. But let's put this puppy on. This one will definitely be worn, guaranteed. I'm a sucker for camo. I'm a sucker for blue watches. I'm a sucker for red watches. I'm a sucker for green watches, so camouflage watches. And check that out. It's not offensively large. It's very lightweight. And I think that's what the resin does. The resin itself, combined with the metal bezel gives it a nice hefty look, but it's very light, very light. Matter of fact, I want to do something. Give me 1 second. All right, we're back. Let's give these a weight. Here's the GM5600, and let's see how much it weighs. It's 2.5, about 2.5 ounces, 2.4 ounces. Yep, about 2.4 ounces, 2.5, 2.4. Take that off, and let's now compare that to the metal GM5600B-3, which has a screw back, which gives it a lot more weight, right? So let's check that out. 6.5. So 2.5 is about to 6.5 is about 4 ounces in weight difference, which is very evident when you have it on the wrist. This is why this one's so cool. It's very lightweight. Now, everyone loves a screw back, so it's it's kind of, that's a kind of deciding factor. If you like screw backs, which gives you the heftier feeling and sturdier design, it's great, but it's very robust in terms of the GMWB. So this one itself is a lot more lighter and more comfortable, it feels like, on the wrist. Better yet, a better comparison is this one here, which is the GMWB5000-1, which is resin band instead of the metal bands, right? So the only difference here is the screw back option with the metal band keeper. Now 2.5 was the 2.5 ounces was the GM5600B. So let's check this one out. This one's 3.4. So it's about an ounce in weight difference between the two watches. So you can tell that the screw back does add on some hefty weight in terms of the two watches. So there you guys have it. The GM5600 B-3, the Camouflage series. It's a keeper, guys. Probably my favorite from the metal series. Highly recommend it. Once again, thanks again to Reach Jewelers for the great customer service, and thanks for the discount. Check them out. I'll put a discount code on the description, which is good for new customers. I'm not getting paid. It's not a promotional, but I thought I'd give them a plug since they rendered great customer service. I like to share the great customer service with you guys. Until next time, I'll see you guys very soon. This is Chavo, the Shotgo. I'm out of here, guys. Till next time. Peace.
I'm rocking my G-Shock, I'm rocking my Superstar, I'm rocking my G-Shock, I'm rocking my Superstar, I'm rocking my G